In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Photos between accounts. If you want to move pictures from one Google account to another, there are a couple of simple ways to do it inside Google Photos. One method is great for sharing selected images, and the other is better if you want broader access, including all of your photos. I'll walk you through both options so you can choose the one that fits your situation best. Start by opening Google Photos on your device. Make sure you're in the account that currently holds the photos you want to transfer. Once you're in, browse your library and find the images you want to move. Next, select the photos you want to transfer, then tap the share option. This is useful if you only need to send certain pictures instead of your full library. Take a moment here to confirm your selection before moving on, especially if you're transferring a large group of images. After that, tap Create Link. Google Photos will generate a shareable link for the photos you selected. This link gives access to those images, so it's a quick and convenient way to pass them from one account to another. Once the link is created, copy it and send it to the account or person you want to transfer the photos to. If you're moving photos between your own accounts, you can simply open that link while signed in to the other account. This method works well when you only need to transfer specific photos and want a fast option without changing any account settings. Another way to do this is through partner sharing, which is more useful if you want ongoing access or want to share a much larger portion of your photo library. To begin, go to your Google Photos settings, then tap Sharing. This section controls how your photos can be shared with other people or other accounts. From there, select Partner Sharing. This feature allows you to connect another Google account so photos can be shared more directly. It's a more built-in transfer method compared to creating a simple link. When prompted, select All Photos. This means the connected account will be able to access your entire Google Photos library rather than just a few selected items. If your goal is to move everything from one account to another, this is usually the better option. That's it. The link sharing method is best for a smaller transfer, while partner sharing is better for transferring all photos between accounts. Just choose the method that matches what you need, and you'll be able to move your Google Photos much more easily.